Good morning, student. I am Pankaj Dubey, Assistant Professor, SIRTEC, Bhopal. Today, I will discuss the internal architecture of 8086 microprocessor. 8086 microprocessor has been configured 20-bit of address bus, 16-bit of data bus, and 16-bit of ALU. So, I will discuss the internal architecture. Internal architecture are support the 16-bit of data. So the internal architecture are divided in two separate units, BIU and EU. BIU means bus interface unit and EU means executions unit. So EU executions unit is designed with the general purpose register and pointer registers. So pointer register means offset registers. So general purpose register is a AX, BX, CX, DX. It is divided into 8-bit of registers like AX is divided in AL and AH, BX divided in BL and BH, CX divided in CL and CH, and DX divided in DL and DH. AL is a lower bit of AX register and AH is a higher bit of AX register. EU is also designed with the arithmetic logic units and operand and flag registers. Operand is a temporary register, temporary 16-bit registers, and flag register is a also 16-bit registers. Give the status of the current instructions. So, BIU, bus interface unit. Bus interface unit designed with the segment register. ES is an extra segment register. CS is a code segment register. SS is text segment register. DS data segment register, and IP is an instructions pointer. Instructions pointer is an offset register. So the segment